Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to set a custom startup voice message in Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. To set up a custom startup voice message, you'll need these texts. Copy the text from the video description and paste it to Notepad. After pasting, if you want to change your startup message from predefined one, just select these texts and replace them with your texts. And after that, click on File, and then choose Save As option. In the file name, type the following, and from the Save As type dropdown, select all files, and then click on Save. And now, you can run the script. Double-click on it, and you'll have your startup message in a robotic voice.
I am glad to see you again.
Although you can change the voice, I'll show how to change it in the later part of this video. Now, you'll need to put the script in the startup folder, so that you'll get the voice message at startup. Open Run dialog using Ctrl+R, and then type the following, and click on OK. In the startup folder, drag the script, and you're done. Now at each startup, you'll get your welcome voice message. Now, to change the speaker, search text-to-speech in the search bar, and open it. From the voice selection drop-down menu, you can opt for any of the speaker you like.
You have selected Microsoft David Desktop, English, United States, as the computer's default voice.
You have selected Microsoft Hazel Desktop, English, Great Britain, as the computer's default voice.
You have selected Microsoft Zero Desktop, English, United States, as the computer's default voice.
After selecting your speaker, you can also adjust the speed of the speaker. After you're done here, just click on Apply, and then OK. And now, restart your PC, and at startup, you'll get your voice message.
I am glad to see you again.
And you can see, the script works perfectly. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.